Hey, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're a newbie. We are close to 5,000 strong, and I really appreciate everyone's support and understanding, even when I'm less than perfect. You know, we have to allow each other to be less than perfect and have our feelings. Opinions, sometimes they run through each other, but in this ever intolerant society we live in, it's time to give each other the space to feel, and then come back to that and be accountable. Okay, so weeds. What about weeding? The idea of weeds is really simple, and it applies to life so much. Why does the idea of keeping your garden weeded apply to life? Okay, what is a weed? A weed is just a unwelcomed plant, and they compete. They compete with the plant. Here we have our strawberries and a nice apple tree. They compete for nutrition, they compete for sunlight, they compete for water. So as long as you have weeds, they're taking away from the full potential of the growth of the vegetables, flowers, and things that you are desiring. So in life, we have a lot of weeds, and you have to first grab a notebook and write down potential weeds. Potential weeds could be things like procrastination. Many friends have good intentions to have a garden. They put hundreds and hundreds of dollars into it, hours and hours of time, and then they abandon it and it becomes a giant weed patch. Those same people, I find, have really hard time committing to their lives and healthy relationships. You can always see a person's lifestyle and their gardening style will parallel each other, especially in the arena of self-nurturing. So the idea of weeding is every time you go out into your garden, you're going to look around and you're going to pull out what you don't need. You're going to pull those suckers out before they become a problem. Just like the problems in life. Before that credit card gets too high, you're going to start paying it off. Or you're not going to get that amount up because you know that's not your money. It's really not your money. And as soon as it goes up, the weeds are going to get bigger. And then they're going to compile the interest rate until you have to file for bankruptcy. But if you would have kept your weeds pulled in the beginning, it wouldn't have been a problem. This could also be weight. Okay, so you're 10 pounds overweight. Oh, well, I'll deal with that next month. Oh, I'll do that first of the year. Oh, I'll do that after the holidays. Bull. You're never going to do it. You're never going to do it until you commit to yourself, because 10 pounds turns into 20 pounds, turns into being morbidly obese in a very short amount of time. It's one of life's weeds, and it's also part of self-nurturing. Weeds can also be relationships. Yeah, for sure. Do you have friends or family in your life that are just sucking you dry? Are they pulling from your time and your nutrition and your ability to be healthy and self-nurture emotionally? Could be really possible, and you have to identify these people. And I'm not saying get rid of them, knock them out of your life altogether, but some of them you can remove. It's okay. There's no guilt in taking care of yourself. Because it's just like when you fly in an airplane and they say you have to put your own oxygen mask on first before you help the person next to you. Well, you have to be strong, deeply strong and centered from within before you can help other people and be a healthy friend, healthy lover, healthy husband or wife. So examine your life and see who in my life actually does unconditionally love me, give to me, support me when I really need it, and put your energy into that person and gently remove those who are not helping you grow. You hear this? Gently remove those weeds, those people who are not helping you in the process of growth and well-being. That's pretty much it. I mean, I'm open. I really want to see what your comments, I want to see what your analogies are for the weeds in your life and where we can better improve attending to those weeds before they grow out of control and stifle us, and they can kill you. They can actually kill you, the weeds in life. You let your health go too far, forget about it. You let someone take control of your life that is a mess, well, hello disease, hello bankruptcy, hello ruin, hello losing your house. So thank you for coming to my channel. If you enjoy my money saving tips and garden wisdom and our journey into the garden of the mind, please subscribe. It helps. Sharing is caring. And take care of yourselves, but most of all, take care of each other, because it's how we treat each other on the streets that ultimately is our reality. Bye for now.